Bitcoin had one of the biggest drops in history the past couple of weeks. Let's talk about it. We can see it here on the charts. Basically, in a very short period of time, Bitcoin dropped from here from 90k down to 59k. 33% drop, guys, in just, I think, 4 weeks. That's why I mentioned already in my previous videos many times, as you can see here, Bitcoin warning, possible Bitcoin drop to 50k, and we talked about the previous cycle and how that happened, crash alert, and many other signals. So if you have been following the channel, you're already ahead of everyone else out there. Now, let's quickly talk about Bitcoin. I also entered some positions. I will show it to you at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned until the end. We will talk about them very soon. And now here back to the Bitcoin chart. What can we see here? Let's zoom out. Always when in doubt, zoom out. Here we are on the daily chart, and I mentioned already, here we had the breakdown from this head and shoulders pattern, guys. Look at this. Clear head and shoulders pattern. And we broke to the downside. We already reached our first price target here. I mentioned here is when I'm going to buy something, and that's what I also did. My next buying zone would be here at around $51,000. Let's see if it comes. I'm going to be very happy because I'm going to accumulate more Bitcoin for the long term. Now, let's see what the chart is telling us. The chart is showing us here massively oversold on the daily. This, I think we never been so oversold here on the daily for at least a very long period of time, maybe never. Let's see it here. Even on the weekly chart, we can see it. We've never been so oversold as now on the weekly. What else we have here? Let's look at the 4-hourly chart. Also massively oversold right here. So I wouldn't be surprised if we're gonna see at least a small relief rally now. Market is massively oversold. We can expect a move to the upside, at least to the mid of the RSI, I would say. The question is, where are we gonna make some money? The money you can make when the prices go down. That's how smart investors are doing it. This is not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing here. And that's what I did this morning. I woke up, I saw the charts, I saw the price, and I started entering my positions. Now, let's talk about them. We have here one Solana trade. I already took some profits on it in the morning. This was a quick trade. I still have some of this position open. I will show it to you in a second. But now let's talk about Bitcoin. And we can see here we opened nice position here at around 61,555. I also saw the price at 60,000, but the price moved so fast. I still have some limit orders, as you can see here, down below, but they didn't open. So I just opened a small position, still quite significant, $4,500 of margin, and already 118% in the profits, which is definitely nice. Then we have here my Ethereum position that I opened also at the same time, 6 grand in the profits, quite amazing. This literally jumped in a matter of 1 hour up 6 grand, which shows me that I bought at a very nice time. Now let's also see here what else do we have. I think my Solana position closed. I put a stop loss on both of those positions, on Solana and on Ethereum, and also on BTC here. Let's quickly see it. You can see here's my stop loss at $62,000. It's in the profit zone, so I'm eliminating all the risk. I like to trade with not so much risk. That's why I move my stop loss in the profit zone. Like that, I can basically enjoy my life without stressing too much about it. Now, what else do we have here? We have Ethereum, where I also opened a nice position right here. We can see we bought almost exactly the bottom. We are already nice in the profits. My take profit is also in the profit zone already, so I don't have to worry anything about this trade. And here you can see how easy and straightforward it is to make some profits in the crypto market. These are just gains made in the last couple of hours. It was definitely not easy, as you know. We had also some trades that got stopped out on this way down here, but this is part of the game. Right now, we are getting some nice rewards, and we can enjoy them right now. If you have been watching the Mario family, you are very nicely in the profits. Also in the VIP group down below, you can find it in the description, you can get access to some amazing insights. We have some amazing elite traders there. We have also AI bots coming there soon, so make sure you are checking them out. That was it for today's video. Don't forget to take profits. See you all again next time. Bye bye.